skilled workers a year to fill 1.7 million job vacancies. German officials have been travelling around the world to woo those skilled workers. Deutsche Welle correspondent Thomas Sparrow joins us now from Berlin. Thomas, g'day. So apart from travelling around the world, how is Germany planning to attract so many skilled workers?
Well, indeed, from the German president, who's the head of state, to the Labour minister, to the foreign minister, many high-ranking German officials have been travelling to different parts of the world to attract those skilled workers. It's 1.73 million vacant jobs, 400,000 workers that Germany needs a year, in a wide range of areas, from healthcare to IT to the service sector. And that's the reason why German officials have been visiting different countries, on the one hand, to try and sign bilateral agreements. That was the case, for example, with a recent visit by the German president to Vietnam. But it also means that the German government and German authorities have reworked their labour immigration law, the skilled immigration law, to basically lower the burden, to lower the rules, requirements needed for people to come to Germany and fill specifically those gaps. There are, however, significant hurdles to that, but at least that's the clear goal that the German government has stressed, that they need those skilled workers to fill many, many gaps here. And that is obviously important for Germany's economy. Germany's economy is at the centre of Germany's international power, and as such, it is vital for German authorities, and in particular for the German federal government under Chancellor Scholz, to fill specifically those gaps.
And so what are the main hurdles for those would-be migrants?
One hurdle, a very evident hurdle, is the German language. It is not the same for a would-be migrant to travel, let's say, to the United States or to the United Kingdom, where they can speak English, than to do so here in Germany, where they have to learn the language in advance. And in advance is actually the key word, because German officials have also been trying to help would-be migrants to learn the German language even before they travel to Germany. So that's one key hurdle. Another hurdle is obviously bureaucracy. Germany is known as a bureaucratic country. That's something that German officials are aware of, and as such, they've been trying to reduce that bureaucracy to make would-be migrants actually come to Germany and also stay. So several laws or agreements have been changed or amended to reduce those bureaucracy elements. But there are also other problems, and we will be speaking about that in a second, and that specific issue is also the issue of discrimination.
And so what do studies say about the perception of racism among some migrants?
The issue of discrimination is one that is evident not only among migrants that are already here in Germany, but also among would-be migrants. It's something that's clear when you accompany some of those German officials on their trips. But specifically from those who are already here, there is a clear perception of discrimination. That is also, by the way, clear in several studies that have been done both at the national level, so an anti-discrimination monitor here in Germany, but also at an EU level. And one specific area that is very problematic for Germany is anti-black racism, with around half of respondents in this anti-discrimination survey saying that they had indeed felt discrimination here in Germany, that's something that they feel when it comes to healthcare, when it comes to finding apartments, or when it comes to finding jobs, when it comes to also their day-to-day work with public authorities. So it is certainly something that experts have warned that Germany needs to do more, not only when it comes to helping those that are already affected, but also when it comes to preventing this issue from growing even further.
OK, Thomas Sparrow reporting there from Berlin.